Recording in progress.
What we have to do in deriving the relation, देखो क्या है, फिर से सुन लो. Centripetal acceleration का relation derive करना था in terms of mass, velocity and radius, और speed and radius है ना. तो क्या करते हैं, उसकी पावर x and दूसरे की पावर y and r की पावर z, directly proportional. So this symbol will go, k आ जाएगा यहाँ पे, k is dimensionless constant. It can be 1 or any other value. नेक्स्ट स्टेप में क्या है, लेफ्ट साइड की डायमेंशन लिखना है और इनकी भी इंडिविजुअल डायमेंशन लिख के सिंप्लीफाई कर लेना है. एम के टर्म्स टुगेदर, एल टर्म्स शुड बी टुगेदर एंड टी. So now writing the dimensions of both the sides, we have to compare their powers. If relation has to be right, powers of dimensions of both the sides should be same. Here is 0, here is x. So 0 will be equal to x. Here power of L is 1, here y plus z. Both equated. 1 is equal to y plus z. Equation number. These are the other equations. इनको छोड़ दो चलो. So these are the three equations. 1, 2. And third one, ये 1 y is equal to y plus z हो गया. Here t to the power minus 2. Here t to the power minus y. So minus 2 is equal to minus y. So we are getting y is equal to 2. X is equal to 0 here from first equation itself. And what about this? Putting the value here. Okay, नीचे हमने इस equation में हमने value, we have put the value 1 as it is. Y is how much? 2. In place of y we have put 2. So z we'll get z that will be equal to minus 1. All right. Now we have got all three. X0, Y2, and y2 from here, and z is minus 1 from here. So now from the first relation, this k wala relation, this relation may we'll put the value. So AC यहाँ पर k m to the power 0, v to the power 2, r to the power minus 1, m to the power 0 will make it 1. So or this will come in denominator. So a centripetal acceleration is depending upon dimensionless constant and v square by r. Mass independent of mass. m raised to power 0 है, mass पे depend नहीं कर रहा. So this is the relation. That's how we can derive the relation between various physical quantities. So this was the application number 2. Any difficulty in this?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, one more question was there. Similar question. Note down. इसको करो. What is the answer of that question? No, that was in the converting from one system to other. Third application का था. Clear? Shall I move on to the next one?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So third application, what was the third application? Converting from one system of unit to other system of unit. So this is the formula for that. And 2 we have to unknown जो निकालना है, and 1 is the known value in one system of unit. And here will be 1 subscript, mass, length, and time. And x, y, z. This is the formula. X, y, z क्या है इसमें बोलो? They are the dimensions of given physical quantity. For example, question ये था. This was the question in homework. Convert 5 joule, which is SI system of energy, into arcs, that is CGS unit of energy. So energy की dimension पहले लिखना पड़ेगा. Energy is same as that of work. So m to the power 1. Mass का single dimension है. Length 2 and time minus 2. This is the dimensional formula of energy. X क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पर? जो ऊपर formula हमने दिखाया था उसमें x will be 1, y will be 2. Okay. Z is minus 2. Okay, so this is the x, y, and that we have got. Are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, we have to convert 5 joules, that will be n1, known will be n1, into CGS unit, that is N2. So one subscript will represent SI unit, 2 will represent CGS unit. All right. This is the formula for third application, this one. Here it is, third application formula, converting from one system of unit to other system of unit. We have to put the values of N1, M1, M2, X is also known, L1, L2 is also known, Y and T1 by T2 is also known, and Z is also known. Okay, so let's write the formula first. After that, what we have to do, chalo yahan pe just let me solve it. After writing the formula, just let us solve it completely again. Look. So N1 is 5 joules. That we have to write. N1, sorry. Now M1. 1 kya hai? See, 1 is the SI unit. Here also, mass in SI unit will be kg. So we write kg here. X is known, that is 1. And denominator mein mass. CGS, 2 is CGS. So in CGS unit, mass is given in gram. G. Length is in meters. In CGS, length is in centimeters. Power is Y, Y is 2. Time in both the system of unit is in seconds. Power is -2. All right. Now we have to simplify it. K is 1000, 10 to the power 3. G will, gram will get cancelled here. Power is 1. Meter is 100 centimeter. 10 to the power 2 cm. In denominator also cm. Okay, power is 2. Seconds here to 1. It will be 1. Seconds will get cancelled. Power -2. Now what is left is 5 into 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power 2. Outside power is 2. 10 to the power 4. And this last term will become 1. 1 to the power anything will be 1. So this comes to be how much? 5 into 10 to the power 7 arg CGS. And 2 is CGS. So 5 joule is nothing but a 10 to the power 7. It means what is the conclusion? 1 joule will be 10 to the power 7 arg. ये आपके लिए conversion का relation मिल गया. Sometimes if it is in arcs, you have to convert it into joule. तो यहाँ से convert कर सकते हैं. You can do it. Or joule is to be converted into arc. This will be. So 5 जो है वो it will be as it is. है ना? Whatever is there. Suppose यहाँ पे something else is there, so that will come as it is. And joule will be converted into arc by 10 to the power 7. So that comes. है ना? So you have to close here itself. यहाँ पे you have to close your answer. Clear to everyone? You can ask if you have any doubt. बोलो किसी को पूछना है इसमें कुछ? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
तो ये हो गया था, सबका right आ गया था. You are not sending your homework after many reminders. Very few are sending, or 1 or 2. Others are not sending. Is there any problem in sending the homework? Or you are not doing it at all? If you are not doing, you cannot send it. Don't want to improve physics में? Chittis,
Yes,
you are
sir.
sometimes sending. Ishan,
Yes,
you are
sir.
not sending. You didn't send this. Nobody has sent this. Anybody has sent this?
Sir, actually, yesterday and day before yesterday, I was out of station, so I could not. I will just send it today. I could not. I will just send it today.
Few minutes only. Others also not. You are sending most of the time, but others are not sending. What is the problem? Adit, Amrita, Anika, you are not sending. Danishta and all. Is there any problem in sending the homework? You have to maintain your notebook. Good notebook. If you maintain, it will save you a lot of time. You have to keep the records of whatever I am teaching you. Have full record. It will save you a lot of time. And try to do homework. It will improve your speed will go up. and silly mistakes will come down. Very few questions I give you, 2 or 3 homework or sometimes one, that you are supposed to solve it immediately after the class if you don't have the next class. Okay, what about this? बोलो इसका क्या आंसर आया? 10 आंसर आ रहा है. Okay, any other answer? 10 is the answer. 10 what 10? 10 in new unit है ना, because this is not the standard unit जो हम लोगों ने which is given to you. It is just take the mass and length double, so it is imaginary system of unit. So what we'll write answer में क्या लिखेंगे? 10 in new unit ऐसे लिख के छोड़ देंगे, because this is not the four, whatever 4 units system of units we have seen, none of them is matching with this. So this is absolutely new question for you. Let's see, let's do it. तो देखो इसको सॉल्व करते हैं. फर्स्ट आंसर इज 10. लेट मी सी क्या आंसर है. देखो वर्क डन बाय फोर्स इन ऑन एनी बॉडीज 80 joules. तो नोन इज N1 80 joules. It is SI unit, है ना. All right, then what will be the work done? N2 we have to find out in new system of unit in which the mass, unit of mass is and length both are doubled. तो मास का यूनिट कितना हो जाएगा? 2 kg. मास विल बी, that will be M2 will be 2 kg new system, and L2 will also be 2 meter. डबल हो गया. because ऐसा ही में क्या होता है? N1 में क्या होगा? M1 will be, mass will be 1 kg. ऐसा ही में 1 kg होता है मास का. न्यू सिस्टम में 2 लेना है, डबल करना है. एंड ऐसा यूनिट में, ऐसा सिस्टम में लेंथ विल बी हाउ मच? 1 meter. इसमें 2 लेना है. So this is imaginary system of unit. So write the formula now. N2 will be N1. अच्छा वर्क है तो डायमेंशन, we need the dimensions. Dimension remains same. वर्क के क्या आएगा dimensions? M1 L2 T minus 2. So therefore powers X, Y, Z होंगी. X will be 1. Equal to N1 M1 by M2 to the power X, L1 by L2 to the power Y, T1 by T2 to the power Z, that is Z. Okay, so putting the values now, N1 is 880, put it here. Mass 1 जो है, they are all SI unit. Mass is in 1 kg, only kg you can write, and new system of unit 2 kg, double. Power is 1. Length is 1 meter in SI unit, and new system of unit 2 meter you have to take. Y is 2, and time nothing is mentioned, it means seconds in both. So that is minus 2, that remains always 1. So now you put it 8. Simplify it, 1 by 2 kg, kg will go, power is 1. Here meter, meter will go, power is 2. 1 by 2 to the power 2 is 1 by 4. All right. If you simplify, answer coming is 10 in new unit, new system of unit which is imaginary. So this is unexpected answer. That day we were checking how the students are doing it. कल उस दिन हम लोग कैसे कर रहे थे? What problem, what mistake generally you do? देखो mistake क्या करते हैं? What you do? And most of the places it is done like this. It is not the correct method. ऐसे कर लेते हैं. What you do? Okay, you will write dimensions M1 L2 T minus 2. Here you write 80. So what you do? 80. Mass is double, तो 2 हो गया. Length is also double, तो ये 4 हो गया. And time का कुछ भी नहीं है तो 1. So you tend to do like this. Dimensions कोई double कर देते हैं 2. But here you see it is 1 by 2. If you want to, suppose you don't want to do this, तो इसको reciprocal करके देखो, reciprocal में आ रहा है. What you do is 2 is not the right here. It is 1 by 2. Here also 4 you write, it is not correct. 4 is not correct. It is coming 1 by 4. So if you do the reciprocal and follow the instruction, then answer will be right. If you If you don't want to do all this and you are doing the shortcut competitive examination question, तो यहाँ पर जो है रेसिप्रोकल करके उसको करो. मास न्यूमरेटर में है तो डिनोमिनेटर में डबल करके करो. लेंथ, this is the just I am telling you shortcut method which you are not supposed to do in fact. This is the proper method. If time को भी, if they say time also is doubled, so time यहाँ पे 2 आ जाता है, then 1/2, तो यहाँ पे क्या आता है 4 आ जाता है ना. तो this was, nothing is mentioned about the time. You don't have to do anything in that. This was the slightly new question for you. Anybody want to ask in this? इसमें कुछ पूछना है? Some anybody has doubt in this question? You can just go ahead. Or shall I give you one more question, similar question for practice? बोलिए, देना है कि sufficient है? ये हो जाएंगे?
हो जाएंगे सर.
हो जाएंगे
सर.
ठीक है. Sorry.
Sir, one more question like that. Sir, one more question.
Okay, one more question. चलो, ये this question I have taken from Bhavan's paper, old paper में था ये. Okay. This is the textbook question. ये हम textbook के तो करेंगे ही. Bhavan's का कौन सा देखो old paper में से just I have taken where it is. अच्छा, ये भी तो था होमवर्क में. इसका आंसर बी है. सिमिलर क्वेश्चन है, बी आएगा इसका. देखो, सेम मेथड. ये do it yourself. I have told you the answer. You complete yourself. B is the answer. Same method again. आंसर नोट कर लो. फॉलो द सेम इंस्ट्रक्शन जैसे अभी किया. एंड आई थिंक वेयर इज दैट क्वेश्चन, लेट मी सी. डेंसिटी का क्वेश्चन था. वर्क डन इज डन. आई थिंक दिस वाज द क्वेश्चन इन ओल्ड पेपर्स ऑफ भवंस. ये पूछा था सिमिलर क्वेश्चंस. ठीक है, तो यू कैन नोट डाउन एंड डू इट. ट्राई करो इसका आंसर. Read it first for cross checking. If density of any substance is 8 gram per centimeter cube in CGS system, find the density of body in new system in which unit of length is 5 centimeter. Similar to that question which we just now did. 5 unit of mass is 20 gram. That's all. T का कुछ भी नहीं है तो छोड़ दो. इसमें वैसे भी you see that distance and mass, I mean length and mass is coming in. So this was the question in your papers, in some of the school's papers. So you can note down and do it. Answer I will tell you tomorrow. Same formula, N2 is equal to N1. N1 will be 8 CGS है, तो 1 will be CGS और 2 will be new system. All right. ये CGS में दिया ना, N1 is always given, so that you have to identify whether CGS है कि MKS है. CGS में mass is in gram and distance is in centimeter. New system का नीचे आ जाएगा. कितना लेना है mass? 20 ग्राम. डायमेंशन भी लिखनी है. लेंथ कितनी लेनी है? 5 सेंटीमीटर. डायमेंशंस भी लिखनी है. दैट आई एम नॉट टेलिंग. डायमेंशन यहाँ से दिख रही है ना. मास की कितनी है? 1 एंड डिस्टेंस की -3. Okay, 2 more questions are there of this topic in NCERT book. We'll do that also. Or you try yourself. Noted. This question is noted.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Okay, ठीक है. So let's see what are the questions given in our textbook. एक तो ये दिख रहा है, देखो. Question number 3rd. Exercise, 2nd chapter, 3rd question. Calorie is the unit of heat and it is equal to 4.2 joules. N1 is given. Calorie, of course, they have mentioned calorie, but it is equal to 4.2. Known is this. यहाँ पे दिया भी देखो, 1 joule is equal to, okay, 1 joule is, if you don't know the dimension, they are helping you out. यहाँ पे यूनिट डायमेंशन निकाल सकते हैं, मास एंड क्या होगी डायमेंशन, एनर्जी है, यू नो जस्ट नाउ वी हैव मेनी क्वेश्चन वी हैव डन, m1 l2 t minus 2, तो x is 1, y is 2 and z is equal to -2, ये डायमेंशंस हो गई। और क्या करना है आगे, सपोज we employ a system of unit in which the unit of mass equals to alpha kg, है ना, तो जैसे हमने 2 के just now we are taking 2 kg, here they are taking alpha kg and 2 is to be found out और प्रूव करना है, देखो n2 ये प्रूव करना है ना, प्रूव करना है। और m1, can somebody tell me m1 how much we should take, 1 is ऐसा यूनिट, देखो ऐसा यूनिट, तो ऑल ये जो सर्विस फार्मूला, ओके फार्मूला, टेल मी द फार्मूला, जस्ट आई एम हेल्पिंग यू आउट।
हाँ सर।
Again connection has gone, lot of problem. Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
So again, there is the issue of that. Shall I end the class now? How much time is remaining? Still we have the, okay, 15 minutes are there. I cannot cancel the class. I have to call again, call back to ma'am. Now there is problem going on Geo Fiber and Geo Mobile also. Some problems are going on in their network. Mohit sir, are you there?
Yes sir,
मैम
तो
फिर से कनेक्शन चला गया थोड़ा सा, देखिए।
मैम से बात करना पड़ेगा सर, क्योंकि वही होस्ट है।
हाँ हाँ, बात हो रही है मैम से।
ओके
ओके, All right. Just a minute. Okay. Would you complete that question by the time? आगे आंसर उसका?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
प्रूव करना था ना? Okay. So this was okay. Formula we are written. We are identified. One will be SI unit, है ना? देखो one ये जो one है, they will be written in SI. Two is unknown, in which we have to take the mass alpha kg and beta meter and gamma like this. In यहाँ पे seconds का भी देखो change हो गया. हम लोगों ने we have done only for mass and length का double करके किया था. यहाँ they are changing all the three terms. तो M1 is what? यहाँ पे M1 क्या put करेंगे? Just tell me. Again, is there any problem? One of the
Recording in progress.
one of the applications you completed. Right? And what about this question? This is in homework. Question number 5. Only note down the number you can take down from your textbook. And what about this? Okay. Your textbook problem, one more was there. This one. Can you see this is the third part of the first question. Given that value of G in CGS system is this much. Diane usage just now we are seeing Diane CG force ka. And centimeter of course easy to convert, and this is also. So सभी CGS में you have to convert it into SI unit. So this is also from third formula. N2 is equal to N1. Third formula से you have to do. This also you have to complete. Don't worry about this unit. Don't worry about you. Once you know the dimensions, X, Y, and Z is given. So one, okay, one is what? चलो इतना तो लिखते हैं. One is 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 8. This is CGS. All right. And N2, SI unit, we have to convert. How much it will come? Okay. So this should not create problem once you know the dimensions. Dimensions of G. अच्छा, dimensions of G you know. ये हम लोगों ने calculate किया था. Dimensions of universal gravitational constant. M-1, L3, and T-2. This we did this question. Right? This was done. And 2 is SI. So put the value in the formula and see how much is coming. Can you complete this also?
Yes, sir.
Are you there? Okay. So some part I have told you, remaining you practice yourself. Dimensions are given. N1 is what, N2, everything is explained to you. Write the formula, put the value, and get the answer. Let us see. Answer also you know. तुम लोगों को याद है आंसर कितना आता है? यहाँ पे एक्चुअली 6.67 भी होता है ना? Into 10 to the power how much? 9th में था?
-11.
-11. तो आंसर also you know. -11 should come.
-11.
N1 will remain as it is. जो ये नंबर है वो चेंज होगा नहीं. Since this is a metric system, 10 to the power will get changed. depending upon the dimensions. All right. So these are the questions for your practice from your textbook. Question number first ka third hai, third part is there. With the dimensions, better you do with the dimension. Otherwise, without dimension, kaise karenge? Chalo. If you are solving for competitive examination, so dimension takes more time. Direct कर सकते हैं? Yes. यहाँ से देखो. Dyne की value put कर दो. 1 joule, 1 Newton is how many dynes? This we did in the previous class. How many
5.
dynes? 10 to the power 5.
5.
Sorry, 1 Newton is 10 to the power 5. नहीं. तो यहाँ से dyne की value मिल जाएगी. कितनी आएगी? 10 to the power minus 5 Newton will be 1 dyne. That you can put it here. Centimeter. Centi को क्या लिखते हैं बोलो? Centi is 10 to the power minus 2.